What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be going to my friend Taylor's house to go ahead and take apart his ECU to send it out for unlocking, and we're gonna see what we could do and how long the turnaround time is. So let's get right into it. Not yet. I mean,
I'm trying to figure out where it is though.
all right. So we just got to Taylor's crib.
This is the car before it's gotten touched. It's been touched, but not heavily touched.
I think it's heavily touched now.
Bro, it's not heavily touched yet.
Cause I see it. Yeah, it's right there. See that right there? Oh, this little thing right here. So we pop this off and we just unplug. This. Right there.
So you just unplug all those cords?
Yep.
Okay. Let me take a picture of it real quick before.
Yep. Just go right at it. Just pull them one by one. Keep going. Pull it. No, just see. You took a picture of all the colors, right?
Whoa, I took a picture of it before.
Okay. That's fine. Wait, maybe we should. Oh, fuck, we were supposed to. Yeah. Let's go do that. Alright, so first step, disconnect the battery.
Yo, first up, you have to disconnect the battery.
Yeah, we're gonna edit that part out. Dude, that's good. I'm also back here. Alright, so just positive. Left.
Oh, hard. Alright, so battery's off. Just to the side.
Alright, so battery out, step first. Step one. Now
First one, second one, third one.
we could finally get everything out.
What a waste of time doing that shit on the right then. I wonder why you had to unplug it.
Because of this.
Yeah, but why? I wonder why we had to unplug that.
Just for clearance. That's all. So finally got it out.
That was a bitch, bro.
Well, it's only because it was cold. Honestly, if it was a little bit warmer out,
Yeah, dude, fine.
but you're like swear boogers and like your mustache just froze up and it just. All right, so I'll basically just take the C clamps out. You can take these out if it's blocking it. But that was it. So you went with auto tuner, right? What was the difference between auto tuner and femto?
Femto takes longer, and auto tuner comes back like in 2 days.
So this is it. This thing in my hand right here costs $1,000, and this is what's causing everybody from reaching their true potential in their BMWs, B58s, and modern ones. So you want to actually like be careful with this because this is very expensive and very fragile. And replacing this costs at least $1,000. But in 3 to 4 days, this thing is going to be a G80 killer. But right now, we're going to go on our way and ship this out to Auto Trader. And they said their turnaround time is 3 to 4 days, and they're going to send it back to us hopefully on Wednesday. We're going to see how loud we can make this thing. All right, so we're in Taylor's rental. Bro, what is this? It's like, this is fading. It's like disgusting, nasty.
Bro, it's like a 136,000 mile car, bro.
Where does it say that?
It said it in my pocket. It says it on the.
135. I wonder how much they'd sell this for.
I don't know.
All right, so we got the ECU, we got the shipping paper. Probably shouldn't show that. Damn. All right, so we got the ECU in there, and we're ready to ship. See you in 3 days.
Where does this even go, bro? Because this is fucking huge.
So that can yeah, just like that. Yeah.
On the highway and I'm thinking that I love her. On the highway and I'm thinking there ain't no rubber. On the highway with my significant lover.
All right, so ECU came back, and now we have to do the process of putting it back in. All right, so they sent back you. They sent you a little sticker.
Yeah, yes.
You gotta put that on your like PC or something. Didn't they send you like a piece of candy too?
Yeah, it's me a fucking Sour Patch.
I know you ate that shit.
No, I didn't. It's actually sitting in my pocket.
Nice. You have your phone on you?
Yeah.
All right, so we just gotta put back all the wires that we took out back the same way.
Oh my god. What is this wind?
Yeah. So we're just gonna plug that back according to the pictures that we took, and then right.
I just gotta know how it goes in, and then everything else is pretty self-explanatory. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so blue one is the third one.
So we got the ECU in. Now we're just putting the wires back into their respected slots.
You would think all you have to do is push down. No.
Mm-hmm.
You literally have to push down and
clip it in.
make sure this clip is locked in place, or it'll just keep fucking sliding out.
Is it in?
Oh my god, yes.
All right, now we gotta figure out the battery. The battery. Hold on. Yep, the engine and everything that we have. This is how we got the battery in.
It's like slightly louder.
How about you?
Talk to me dirty.
I want you to slide your hand down, right there, between my thighs. Feel how wet I already am. That's all for you. I'd straddle your lap right now, grind slow against you, let you feel every inch of me through these thin little shorts. Whisper in your ear how bad I want you to fuck me. Hard. But first...
Get out, bro. What the fuck was going on? Whoa, bro. What was that?
Dude's gonna be back here tonight.
Yo, that is